10 real junior backend interview questions from a Quest2Offer mock. Pause on each one, think how you'd answer, then I'll show you how. Let's go. What is REST and why is it everywhere? REST is a style for building APIs over HTTP. Resources live at URLs, and you act on them with standard methods: get, post, put, delete. It's stateless, so any server can handle any request, which makes scaling simple. Responses are usually JSON. It's everywhere because it rides on plain HTTP. Every language, browser, and tool already speaks it. What's the difference between get and post? Get reads data. Parameters go in the URL. It has no body and it must not change anything on the server. That's why get responses can be cached and safely retried. Post sends data in the body to create or change something. It's not safe to blindly retry because you might create the thing twice. Rule of thumb: reads are get, writes are post. What do HTTP status codes 2xx, 4xx, and 5x mean? They're the server's one-line verdict. 2xx means success, 200 okay, 201 created. Money 4xx means the client got it wrong, 400 bad request, 401 not signed in, 403 signed in but not allowed, 404 not found. 5xx means the server itself failed, 500 is a crash, 503 means overloaded or down. The split matters. 4xx says fix the request, 5xx says fix the server. What is a database index and what does it cost? An index is a sorted lookup structure the database keeps next to a table so it can find rows without scanning everything. Like a book index instead of reading every page. Queries on that column get dramatically faster. The cost. Every insert and update now has to update the index too, and it takes disk space. So you index the columns you search and join on. You don't index everything. What's the difference between inner join and left join? Inner join returns only rows that match in both tables, users who have orders. Left join returns every row from the left table with nulls where the right side has no match. All users, including those who never ordered. The classic trick question is counting. With left join, you keep the users with 0 orders. With inner join, they silently disappear. Quick pause. These are real questions from Quest2Offer's AI mock interview. Pick your target role and level, answer out loud or in writing, and get a breakdown of exactly where you'd get cut. It's free to try at quest2offer.ai. Now, back to the questions. What's the difference between authentication and authorization? Authentication is proving who you are. Login, password, token. Authorization is what you're allowed to do, roles and permissions. They run in that order. First, the system learns who you are, then it checks what you can touch. A 401 means authentication failed. A 403 means you're known but not allowed. Mixing these two up is a classic junior red flag. What is caching and when would you add it? A cache keeps a copy of expensive results close by, in memory usually Redis. So repeated reads skip the database. You add it when the same data is read often but changes rarely. A product page, a user profile. The hard part is invalidation, deciding when the copy is stale. Start with a TTL, an expiry time, and only get fancier if the data really needs to be fresher. Why put a message queue between services instead of calling them directly? A direct call means the caller waits and fails if the other service is down. A queue decouples them. You drop a message, respond to the user instantly, and a worker processes it when it can. Spikes pile up in the queue instead of crashing anything, and failed jobs can retry. The price is eventual consistency. The work happens a moment later, not immediately. Why do secrets and config live in environment variables, not in code? Because code goes into Git, and anything in Git is forever, including a leaked database password. Environment variables keep secrets out of the repository and let the same code run in dev, staging, and production with different settings. No rebuild to change a value, and no secret in the diff. If a key ever lands in a commit, you rotate it. Deleting the line is not enough. What is an ORM and what are the trade-offs? An ORM maps database tables to objects in your language. You write code, it writes SQL. You get speed of development, safe parameterized queries, and migrations. The trade-offs. It hides what SQL actually runs, which is how you get the N+1 problem. A query per item in a loop. Use the ORM for normal work, but read the SQL it generates and drop to raw SQL for the hot paths. That's all 10. If this helped, like and subscribe, and try a real mock interview at Quest2Offer.ai. Good luck on your next interview.